Homeostasis. Now, this means that internal conditions within your body, such as temperature, blood pressure, water concentration, glucose concentration, needs to be kept within set limits in order to ensure that reactions in body cells can function and therefore the organism as a whole can live. Now, when one of these conditions deviates far away from the normal, if not brought back within set limits, the body will not function properly. And the eventual consequence without medical intervention will be death. Now, this is why diabetics need to control glucose intake as their body cannot regulate it for them. Why an extremely high and prolonged fever will kill you, or why drinking too little or too much water can damage cells throughout the body, especially the kidneys and the brain. Now, most homeostatic mechanisms in the body are controlled by a process named as negative feedback.